Hey Party Angel, are you headed to a country festival or a Nashville adventure and want to pack light? I challenged myself to pack only one pair of white cowboy boots for a full week on a recent girls trip to Nashville and came up with 8 completely different outfits for everything from honky-tonk nights to bachelorette parties or even daytime exploring. Whether you're flying, carry-on, or just trying to keep it simple, this video will give you stylish country capsule outfit ideas that work on a single pair of boots. It's perfect if you want to rock a country vibe in multiple ways on a budget. I'm Madeline, your party living bestie with 20 years experience planning and packing for theme parties, and I'm honored to share tips and inspire joy for your next cowgirl celebration. So don't forget to stick around to the end for the Angel Secret of the Day, a bonus outfit that got the most compliments of them all. Here you see look 1. It's a joyfully polka dot beige dress with a white bralette underneath, a white belt, a white hat, and some simple pearls to finish it off. Look 2 is a Lulu's floral true wrap dress with that same bralette and same white hat. You'll find me here testing out if this is going to be suitable for our line dancing adventure. It is. Look 3 is a simple denim dress with that same white bralette, and you can use a white or straw hat on this one and accessorize with turquoise. Look 4 is a white bodysuit I pulled over my shoulders, a simple denim halter vest, and a really fun Amazon ruffle skirt with that same white hat and some boho earrings to top it off. Next, we have that same white bodysuit with a denim short sleeve ruffle jacket and a really fun leopard skirt with a white fedora hat. Look 6 is perfect for day trips. It's that same white bodysuit, a cute denim vest, a black skirt for convenience, and a white fedora hat. Next up is floral and flirty with the same white bodysuit, a floral wrap, a white denim skirt, and a white hat, perfect for brunch or dinners out. Look 8 is the Angel Secret of the Day. If you want to keep a crop top looking modest over 40, just throw on a white or a nude tank underneath and tuck it into the bottoms. I was a little insecure about showing my midsection, and no one even really noticed. I got compliments all day on this look. So which one was your favorite, and would you be willing to try this one pair of boots packing challenge? Drop in the comments. I'd love to hear. We'll include links to these outfit pieces and accessories below just in case you want to check them out. If you're into theme outfits and you want to pack light for your next party, hit that like and subscribe button to join me for more. Keep radiating joy and celebrating life, and we'll see you at the next party.